guys, my name is Dennis. Welcome to my channel Need Some Space. Today we are going to talk about truth about ghosts. Are they real? Let's find out.
So let's get down to the basics. What are ghosts? Ghosts are souls of dead people. And what is a soul exactly? In simple words, souls are spiritual part of a human being or animals. Can we touch them? No, because it's not made up of any matter. If it does not have matter and it does not occupy space, it does not have mass. So if this is true, then how do ghosts move things by themselves? So to move anything you need energy. And according to science, energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. So when we die, where is all the energy gone? Is this the energy that ghosts have? So when we die, our energy is transformed into another forms of life. Like a heat is transferred to the bacteria that eats us. When you bury a dead animal, the energy is used for plants to grow. Just like that, energy keeps transferring. So what's up with ghosts wearing a white cloth or a white sari? Clothes are made up of matter. We can touch and feel it. Does that mean the clothes of the ghost are dead as well? Okay, now this topic is senseless. So let's talk about some major questions. Where do ghosts exist? This is where dimensions come in the picture. To make you understand, let me give you an example.
So this is a coaster and this coaster is in a two-dimensional space. That means it can only move in x-axis and y-axis. So this coaster is not aware of the 3D space around it. It is present, but it is not aware of it. Now this is where the ball comes in. The ball is flying off in the air. It has access to the third dimension. It can be in the second dimension as well as on the third dimension. Now the coaster is surprised that how can this happen? I cannot do that. So what the ball does is it takes the coaster with him and grants access for the third dimension. So in the same way, humans can access only the third dimension, not any higher dimensions. So maybe there are ghosts or spirits or evils or demons or anything in the higher dimensions. The fourth dimension is actually a bit complicated thing to study. The fourth dimension actually looks like this. This is called a tesseract. The Avengers fan must know what it is. So this is what a fourth dimension is, a cube inside a cube, and this is the fourth dimension that we cannot access.
So is our mind fooling us with the whole ghost topic? Maybe, but let me explain. There is something called carbon monoxide. A lot of people in the US think they can feel something in their house, something passing through them, a chest pain which increases every day. They can hear unusual sounds as well. When there is an investigation, it's actually a carbon monoxide leak. Carbon monoxide is dangerous. This gas can affect your lungs, causing chest pain and also make you hear different sounds which is unusual. Every haunted house and every incident can be explained with the help of science. Okay, so maybe ghosts don't exist. But what about demons? Demons are supernatural beings with evil intentions. So do they exist? If they would, then they wouldn't be supernatural. Easy. But I've heard that if there is God, then there are demons as well. But if there is no demon, then there is no God.
So what are your thoughts on God and demons? So you can comment your views below, and if you like my video, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share my videos, and do not forget to subscribe as well. Be tuned for my next video. Thank you.